Well, first things first, let's see if I can get this dislodged tab brake back in a position that's more favorable. I already doused it in penetrating oil because it's an old machine and I don't want to break it, of course. I just slid the carriage all the way in the other way so I can access it, otherwise I might have needed to dismount several things. There we go. Very gently. Alright, let's move this a bit. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to push the tab button. That's going to make the tab bar in the back roll. And what should happen is when it's pressed, the tab brake should engage this gear. Like so, I guess. And what I need to do now is, of course, fix the tab brake in place. While the tab button is depressed, or pressed, I should say. Let's see what happens when I release the tab button now. See, it pops up. Now the question is, does this work? The tab brake is now rubbing against. It's closed but no cigar because the tab brake, I don't know if you can see it, it's hitting the little cog over there, so I'm gonna put it slightly more to the back. Well, I messed with it a little bit more, and through some dumb luck I managed to fix it in the correct position. So if anyone is out there trying to fix it, this is what it should look like. I'm gonna move the carriage a bit back to here, and then you can see that it engages, but it doesn't break very well, if you ask me. So in order to fix this dog or make a replacement, I will need to be able to take it out. So I'm gonna gently try to remove it without removing anything else. Probably best if I take another screwdriver for that one. This one seems to be fine. Okay, then I'm gonna take this one out first. There we go. Gently. One, got it. Now the other one. This tab brake is a bit in the way. Well, not tab brake, tab stop. So I think I better get that one out of the way first. Bit of penetrating oil. Make sure I don't damage those tiny little screws. Get rid of the excess. 1. Alright, so now I'm going to remove number 2. Loosen at least. Tiny bit. Or attempt to at least. This one does need a thinner screwdriver, so it's going to be this one. There we go. I'm going to leave a tiny mark so that I can put that thing back where it belongs afterwards. Maybe there's a flat spot, but I don't know that. Well, it definitely doesn't like to move. So I'm guessing there is a flat spot. Why won't you move? I've taken the screws completely out. For some reason. Ah, there we go. So there is no flat spot, but you can see there is a bit of an indentation, so that's nice. So now that's out of the way, I should be able to reach the back screw over there. There we go. This is not completely ideal, but it works. Let's see if I can grab this thing before it drops down. Here we go. My mechanical skills are rather limited, so I called in the help of someone who has tons of talent, Arvid. He's an awesome guy who's also a great bladesmith. He agreed to help me out and accepted my request to fix or machine a new fixed dog. He was also kind enough to send me some pictures of the process to incorporate in this video. Do check out his website, you can find some of his beautiful handcrafted items on it. He didn't do this for free, I paid him for his time and crafting skills, because good craftsmanship needs to be compensated. Don't hesitate to contact him if you have a project, he might be able to help you out. And now it's here, so I'm gonna install the new fixed dog and see how well it performs. One side is in, which was a bit fiddly. Now let's try this side. Hope it's less fiddly. I was mistaken. This one is equally fiddly. I'm gonna loosen this one up back a bit so I can shift this one around if necessary. There we go. That was the problem. That seems to work fine. All right. Let's turn this big boy around.